Welcome to Yvette Kitchen. Today I'm going to make you a very delicious yam punch, okay? So first I already peeled and cooked my yam, so I'm just gonna put it in the blender. Alright. Then I'm gonna put some water. Some supplicant. Evaporated milk. Sweetened condensed milk. Oops. You can make it however sweet you want it to be, okay? So I'm just going to put a little vanilla. Nutmeg. Cinnamon. And now I'm going to blend, okay? So you can have this over ice or you can just allow it to chill. Anyway, it's delicious. Okay, so this is my delicious yam punch, alright? Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to have a taste. Wow, this is delicious. So, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette Kitchen. Live, love, laugh, and enjoy your food.